M37 front wheel bearing. You're gonna need to take these two back bolts off. They're main bolts. They are 22s. Then you're gonna take the two 12s off. One right here. One right here. And you're gonna have to basically pull the caliper off because it's a sport package. So the line's kind of tight. You just gotta pull on it. You won't break the lines or anything. And there's 4 17mm bolts back here that holds the bearings in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have to take the wheel speed sensor out. It's right there in the hole. It's a 10mm. And when removing the bearing, you're going to need to tap it on each side of the bearing to knock it out. Sometimes they're a tight fit. It's already out. And there's the new one down there. And this bearing's bent. Doesn't look bent, but it's bent. And it's also very loose and wobbling already. That's why it's being replaced.